Good day in home, I'm your host Will and Cloud and welcome back to Mazda 6. This time I'm gonna show you how you can change your cabin air filter or pollen filter, call it however you call it, but it's what it's named. It's cabin air filter. And why you wanna change it? Simple matter of the fact, after years it will collect so much dust and shit that it starts to smell inside the interior. Now, what I mean with smell? What I mean with the smell? If from these vents, what's blowing to you, this vent, that one, you can, there is a strange smell coming. That means the air filter has been blocked or it's full with shit. Now, I would recommend you to change it each 5 or 10 years. Let me show you how to do it. But for me to show you how to do it, I have to be on the other side. Cabin air filter is on the passenger side, so it's always in the glove box. If your steering wheel is on the other side, you need to come to this side. So let's go to the other side. Now here we are with my hairy legs. We are in the passenger side. And where is the cabin air filter? It's here. So basically you need to basically you need to open the glove box and get rid of this stuff. So editing villain, get rid of this stuff. Thank you very much. Now let's get a light. I have a light. You need to shine the light, because if you can see, you can't really see it. That box there, that box right here, that's where the cabin air filter is. But you can, if you see this latch on the other side, there is another one. If you push in these sides, see, so it comes off a little bit. Sorry, let me shine the light on you. See, if you pull it, stay there. If you pull this tab, it should come off and it can slide off here. Don't worry, it won't fall because it has this support. So let me put you somewhere. Don't know where I can put you, because I need 2 hands. Basically I cannot hold you. So you push it in, push this ones in, and see, the glove box came a little more out. Now if you can see, these tabs are here now. Now you have clear access. See that panel? This is where your cabin air filter is, right here. So from the bottom, pull up, out, right, don't run. I already changed this filter. I already fully changed it. But you can just slide it out. See? It just slides out. You can already see from a new one. This is like, I would say, week old. Two or a week old. And look what it catched already. There is some shit, and that would have been blown in your face. All this crap. Now how to swap it? You take it out, and here it says on the filter itself. Once you get the new filter, I have the Bosch 1987432 made in Germany. Airflow. So basically arrows needs to point down. So the air needs to go through here and come out through the bottom. See, and you can even see on the lid, you have arrows here and here. So you know that the lid goes back like this, not like this, so the arrows that don't point up. It follows the airflow. Now I clean the filter, so airflow on the bottom. Now you can just go and put it in there. You slide in the new filter till it bottoms out. Once it bottoms out, you will see, there you go, see, airflow, bottoms out, and it's flush. Here it's flush, and here it's flush. Now you put back on the cover. I think two-handed would be easier. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. If I can do it one-handed, you can do it with 2 hands. Basically, nope, I didn't do it. There you go. So there you go. so it's moving. If you shake it up and down, there you go, that's installed. And now you can put this back in. I need to squeeze it on both sides, so give me a sec. Stay there. Now you squeeze in again, and that's it. Now it latches, see? Now it's still there. Now it's all good, all fine. And your cabin air filter has been changed. So there you go. That's how you change your cabin air filter. If you liked this video, of course, smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!